If nobody taught you how to use a screwdriver yet, that's totally okay. I'm going to show you in less than 2 minutes. And all you need to know is that there are two different main types of screwdrivers, which are called the Phillips, which is this one right here, that looks like a T or a cross at the end. And there is a flathead. Flathead is just one simple flathead. You can see it doesn't make a T. And what's important is if you are using a flathead screw, you must use a flathead screwdriver, otherwise it wouldn't fit. And if you're using a Phillips head, which is the cross, you want to use a Phillips screwdriver to match it so that you can turn it evenly. So you will need two screwdrivers, but I would always start with a flathead since it can also fit in the Phillips for you. So if you can only afford one screwdriver, start with a set of flatheads. Now you might be asking, why would I need a set of different screwdrivers? And the answer is they come in different sizes. So you can see this one's pretty big, this one's medium, and then we have a small. And you always want to use the biggest screwdriver that will fit into your screw. So in this case, I'm going to use the big one because it fits the best in here and makes it easiest to turn. So now let's get to unscrewing. What you need to do is take your screwdriver, put it into the hole, so just line it up, and it's really important that you push into the screw. So I'm going to push with my hand a little bit that way, and then I'm going to turn to the left. The reason being is if I don't push in and it's just sort of flimsy, and I try to turn, it's not going to turn. I have to push inward to turn. To loosen the screw, you go lefty loosey, so left is loose, and to tighten it, you go to the right, the way that the clock goes. So I'm going to unscrew this one. I'm going to go left all the way until the screw comes out. Then I'm going to hold it with my fingers and I can pull the screw out. There we go. So now to put it back in, take your screw, place it in the hole, place the screwdriver into the screw, and slowly start turning. And then once it gets in, put a little bit of pressure on it, turn to the right because right is tight, and that is how you use a screwdriver. Same thing for the Phillips. You need to push in with a little bit of pressure towards the screw. That'll make it easy for you.